Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what we've been doing around the house. Kind of spend the day with me. This video of us cutting down the tree and dragging the brush was on Tuesday, and I will be canning later. Like right now I'm editing and it's Wednesday, so sit back, enjoy, and I hope you get some motivation. I'm dying. Oh Jesus, I've got sap on my hands. So this is Wednesday, and so it's the next day after the tree dropping. We picked these green beans from our garden, and we have an overabundance, and I did not anticipate this whatsoever. I didn't think the garden would do very well this year just because it is our first year of gardening on this property. So I had to do something with these beans, and I really love pickled beans, so that's what we're going to work on today. So since this is my first year pickling or canning by myself, I won't be sharing this recipe just because honestly I don't know how it's going to turn out. With the light, please. Thank you. Get off the couch, you guys. So I messed up. I forgot to dry the rim, which is very important. So I have to take all these lids off again. And then, yeah. And then I have to tighten them. Fingertip tight is what they say. And then put them back in. So I'll just let that go for a second. So I'm gonna dry the rim down. Go in with my towel. Hey, so while I'm waiting for my first batch of canned green beans to go through. I'm gonna share with you guys a quick Dollar Tree haul. I only got a few things. I was on vacation. I went on a camping trip with my kiddos, and we stopped in to get some glow sticks, and they had fall stuff. And if you know anything about the Dollar Tree, if you do not grab what you like or what you love while it's out, you will probably never see it again. So I could not pass up these finds, and I hope that you guys enjoy them. All right, the first thing is this really cute pumpkin. They had this in a couple different colors, but I grabbed it in white because I'm gonna use it here in the kitchen as a like spoon rest. So I thought that was really cute. This could be cute in a bathroom for like a bar of soap. The next thing is one of my favorites. It's a little cake stand, like little cupcake stand, but it is a yellow leaf, and I think that this is the only color they had at this store, but I have seen people haul these in brown and orange and white, I believe. So keep an eye out. And they also have the pumpkins in these, but I did not see those, so I'm keeping an eye out for those. And then the next thing were these cute little pumpkin sprigs. They are velvet, and they are very nice quality. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I absolutely love these, and they're so adorable. And then the last thing that I found is my favorite. I could not pass this up. It's this cute little like fake rolling pin, and it just says give thanks. Oh. It just says give thanks, and it has these cute little orange candles, and I thought this would be perfect for Thanksgiving, because I really don't have decor for Thanksgiving. It's mostly just fall pumpkins and a little bit of Halloween. I don't really decorate for Halloween, so I figured I'd grab this for Thanksgiving to set up in our dining room, but I gotta get this out, so hang on. So once I do try these pickled beans out and like taste test them and see how long they last and things like that, I will definitely let you guys know and let you know the process and the recipe that I use. I just don't want to give you guys a bad recipe. I'm still learning. I grew up canning with my grandmother, but it's been a long time since I've ever canned, and I've never canned my own food. So this is a whole new experience for me. So be gracious. And if you guys have any tips or tricks, or you have a recipe you'd love to share, please put it down in the comments. We would love to see it. So everything is all canned, and I have to let this sit on the counter for a whole day. So it's currently 10:03, and so I will put these away at 10:03 tomorrow. And then if you're wondering what these are some okra seeds. I'm gonna try and let them dry out here for a minute and maybe plant them next year. We'll see. So I just realized I jumped into this video without actually introducing myself. Hi, my name is Esther, and this is my channel, LifeAsEsther. My content is typically clean with me, day in the life, stay-at-home mom kind of things. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave.
No, thank you, guys. I don't know why it's doing that. Bye.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of the kids messing with the camera. I just wanted to leave it in there to let you know that it's not always easy for me to film, which is kind of why I fall off the bandwagon of YouTube, because it's constantly me, hey, please don't touch that, hey, don't knock it over, hey, you can't be in the video, and it sucks to have to say that, but the world is horrible, and I want to limit the exposure that my kids have on my channel. So just keep that in mind whenever you see me go, no thank you, please go. It's because I'm protecting them, and I hope that you guys understand. But yeah, that's my little spiel. But on this day, I was cleaning the bathroom, and I actually cleaned our master bathroom, and I forgot to film. I was like in the moment and completely forgot to load or pick up the camera. So this is just our guest bathroom, and it is super tiny. So there's not a lot of angles that I can put you guys at to get all of, I don't know, all of the cleaning goodness. So when I clean the bathrooms, I typically wipe down the doors, wipe down the counters and sinks and things like that, and then the toilet, and then sweep and mop. And I leave the tub and showers for a separate day, because what is your least favorite chore? Because washing the shower and the tub is mine. I hate it. I always get soaked, so I'm like, I might as well just wait till I take a shower. But I'm never showering in the kids' bathroom, so I always have to like prioritize it and put a day aside to just clean it, because I literally drag my feet about it all the time. So this is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope you got some motivation. I hope that you guys enjoyed the little canning clips. I was so nervous. I am really excited to be doing this, but it's a little nerve-wracking. So wish me luck, pray for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.